Hi, good day. This is Abila's Agricultural Engineering Service. This is one of the things we do. We help people set up farm. We help you get your farmland anywhere in Nigeria. This is a 4-step cage. The facility is designed by us at Abila's Agricultural Engineering Service. With the local cages, it was supplied by us. This is a very beautiful pen, well designed. You can see this is one of the services we render. So you might need to contact us. Yes, you might need to contact us. This is beautiful, very beautiful. Well, if you are looking for a business to pump in your money into, yeah, I can guarantee you this is one of the business you need to try. Contrary to, I have different opinion about broilers, but for layers, it's actually very interesting, very interesting, because egg, you can easily get market for egg. The market is readily available, and once your bird starts laying, you cash in every day, every damn day. So this is one of the businesses that is working. I can tell you, in this farm, the owner of the farm installs CCTV cameras just to avoid losses. You can also do that on your farm. In fact, this is a very big farm, I must tell you. If you need something like this, if you need to design your farm, let's plan your farm for you. The poultry section, the dairy section, the cattle rearing, ranch, the snail, think of anything. Even the local birds, we can do that. We can design, we can put you through how to make money from it. We can educate your farm workers to maximize profit. So whatever is it that you want, please feel free to contact Abilat Agricultural Engineer Service. We are in Nigeria. We are in Ilorin. We have office in Ilorin, and we have a workshop in Ilorin also. So if you want imported cages also, we can get that and install for you. If it is local cages with imported materials, everything is available. You can look the name up on Google. Check our Facebook page. Check us on Twitter. So thank you.